Drinking water is very important, and recently I looked back at my drinking 3 liters of water challenge, and how consistent I was back then was incredible. It was a lot better than I am right now, which is kind of like a shame to say, but like I guess right now what we're gonna do is commit again to another water challenge, but this time a bit more manageable, something that we can do like while we're in Japan, because it is easier to do while we're in California since the day is a bit more stable. But what we're gonna do is drink 2 liters of water per day instead. So this is exactly 2 liters, luckily, and these are pretty cheap. They're like less than $1 to buy at the konbini. So we're gonna basically just buy one every single day and finish it, and then we're gonna leave it like right here after it's done. So we have one right there already. This one is from 7-Eleven. We're gonna get rid of it, recycle it, and then we'll stack them until there's like 30 of them, basically. We'll stack them somehow. Um, but that one's not gonna count. I also have that, it's half drunk, so that one's not gonna count either. I'll find some, I'll drink that at some point, but maybe not during the challenge. I'll figure it out. Like during meals or something. But either way, that thing is going to be day one right there. We're gonna get rid of this. So once we finish day one, that's gonna be empty, and we're gonna stack all 30, and we'll try to do it every single day. There will probably be some exception days because we will likely be out all day, but that's fine. This is just to recommit to a habit that I used to have, and try to actually make it more consistent this time, like make it like legit, like forever instead of just 30 days, because that is the ultimate goal, right? To have a healthy habit that lasts forever. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how it goes. Usually I ask Siri what day it is. Let's see if I can. Okay, here, I'll just show it on my computer right there. Tuesday, February 25th. So, February is such a weird month. I think around March 27 is when 30 days will pass, and then we'll check back in. Yeah, this challenge, I'm not gonna really make too many videos about, honestly. Well, I'll make a main video once we finish, but not a, like, check-in like I usually do for my personal channel. I should start calling it my second channel. I'll just call it my second channel. Okay, that's about it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.